Selfstudybraincom play Roblox online, site reviews. Selfstudybraincom play Roblox online, site reviews. If you've been searching for ways to play Roblox online for free, Selfstudybraincom might have caught your attention. But is this website safe, or is it just another scam targeting Roblox players? Most people get this wrong by assuming that any site claiming free Roblox is legitimate. The surprising truth is that Selfstudybraincom shows several red flags. Websites promising free Robux or game access often ask for personal information or require downloads, which can compromise your account or device security. You won't believe what happens next. Many users report that the site either doesn't deliver the promised access or redirects you to unrelated offers and surveys. These tactics are common among scam websites trying to collect emails, passwords, or even payment details. Roblox itself does not endorse third-party sites offering free Robux, so anything claiming this is highly suspicious. To stay safe, always use the official Roblox platform for playing and purchasing Robux. Avoid sharing account credentials, passwords, or downloading suspicious files from unknown websites. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. In conclusion, Selfstudybraincom is not a trustworthy platform for Roblox gaming. It may promise free access or rewards, but the risks of scams and account compromise are high. Stick to verified sources, follow official Roblox guidance, and protect your account to enjoy the game safely and securely.